In an era where clean energy has become a global race, China is making a breakthrough that demands worldwide attention. The first ever floating solar power project on the sea in Qingdao, Shandong province. With an initial capacity of 7.5 megawatts and the ability to power more than 3,000 households annually, this project is not only a technical marvel, but also a symbol of China's ambition to lead in the renewable energy sector. From floating solar panels resilient to ocean storms to green hydrogen production, Qingdao is rewriting the way we think about sustainable energy. What makes this project a model for the future? Join Top 10 Discoveries Official as we explore the story behind the first floating solar power project in Qingdao and how China is surpassing other global powers in the clean energy race. China is emerging as the leader in the renewable energy revolution, with groundbreaking advancements in the solar energy sector. By 2025, the country is expected to achieve a total solar energy capacity of over 600 gigawatts, equivalent to the energy supplied to 180 million average American households. This figure not only reflects a colossal investment scale, $1.5 trillion United States dollars between 2020 and 2025, but also affirms China's ambition to shape the global energy future. In this context, the first ever floating solar power project in Qingdao, Shandong province, stands as a symbol of technological innovation and the ability to overcome complex technical challenges. The project in Qingdao marks a significant milestone. It is the world's first fully operational commercial floating solar power station in a seawater environment. Unlike typical systems installed on freshwater lakes, this project faces harsh conditions such as ocean waves, tide, and salt corrosion. Its success not only demonstrates China's technical capabilities, but also serves as a strong declaration of its leadership role in the green energy race. With rapid development, China is setting a challenge for other countries, especially the United States, to keep up with the sustainable energy transition trend. The Qingdao project is not only a technological breakthrough, but also the beginning of a new era where renewable energy is harnessed in environments once thought to be impossible. The floating solar power project in Qingdao, located in the Xintaihai area, Shandong province, is a significant milestone in the renewable energy sector, turning seawater into a source of clean electricity. The system spans an area of 645,835 square feet, equivalent to 9 football fields, with an installation capacity of 7.5 megawatts. Each year, the project has the ability to produce 16.7 million kilowatt hours of electricity, enough to power approximately 3,000 households, equivalent to a small town, since its connection to the grid on July 1st, 2025. The project has quickly demonstrated exceptional efficiency, generating 123,100 kilowatt hours of electricity in just the first few days of operation. An impressive figure for a pioneering system on the sea. Qingdao, with its strategic location as a leading industrial center and seaport, provides the ideal backdrop for this project. Shandong province, with over 1,860 miles of coastline, offers ample space to test offshore renewable energy technology. However, the seawater environment in the Xintaihai area presents significant challenges. High waves, tides fluctuating up to 11.5 feet, and saltwater corrosion. To meet these harsh conditions, the project was designed with high durability, ensuring stable operation in the dynamic marine environment. The completion and commissioning of the project within 18 months of commencement is a testament to the impressive speed of its implementation, turning Qingdao into a regional energy innovation hub. Compared to floating solar systems on freshwater lakes, such as the 320-megawatt project in Dezhou, also in Shandong province, the Qingdao project faces a far more complex environment, requiring advanced technical solutions to overcome the challenges posed by the sea. The pioneering significance of the project lies in its opening up a new model for offshore renewable energy, utilizing vast water areas without occupying the limited land space on shore. With over 18,000 miles of coastline in China, this technology is expected to become the foundation for future projects, especially in densely populated coastal areas. Moreover, the project is integrated into Qingdao's sustainable development strategy, with infrastructure designed to support other clean energy applications in the future, such as providing electricity to nearby industrial plants. This project is not just a technical achievement, but also a strategic step positioning Qingdao as a model for coastal cities worldwide. By demonstrating that solar energy can be efficiently produced in seawater environments, the project opens up the potential for exploiting shallow seas, a vast resource that many countries are seeking to harness. The initial success of the project, with stable electricity production and the ability to operate in harsh conditions, shows the potential for scaling this model across China and beyond. The Qingdao project not only provides clean electricity, but also lays the foundation for a new era of renewable energy, where seas become a strategic resource for a sustainable future. Seawater environments represent one of the greatest challenges for renewable energy systems. With salt corrosion, high waves, and tides fluctuating up to 11.5 feet, the floating solar power project in Qingdao has overcome these obstacles with advanced technological solutions, turning an ambitious idea into reality. The core technology of the project not only allows for the production of clean electricity on the sea, but also establishes a new standard for offshore renewable energy, unlocking potential for coastal areas worldwide. A standout feature of the project is the solar panel system designed to operate stably on the surface of seawater. These panels are placed on buoys made of corrosion-resistant composite materials, capable of withstanding the constant assault of seawater and high humidity. This design allows the panels to move flexibly with the tidal movement, ensuring optimal exposure to sunlight without being affected by ocean waves. Moreover, the system utilizes seawater for natural cooling, increasing the energy conversion efficiency by 5 to 8% compared to land-based panels. As a result, each panel generates more electricity, optimizing performance in a harsh environment where traditional systems often fail. The project's durability is reinforced by specially coated mounts that prevent marine organisms such as barnacles and algae from attaching to the surface, which could reduce performance or cause damage. The underwater anchoring system, designed to withstand winds of up to 80 miles per hour, equivalent to a level 13 on the wind scale, ensures the entire system remains stable even during severe ocean storms. These innovations not only provide exceptional durability, but also minimize maintenance requirements, allowing the system to operate continuously at 15% lower cost than conventional floating solar power projects. More importantly, the design eliminates the need for complex fixed pile structures, reducing initial investment costs by 10%, creating a viable economic model for future projects. The technology deployed in Qingdao is not just a solution for a specific project, but also has the potential to transform the entire renewable energy industry. By demonstrating that solar panels can operate effectively in seawater environments, the project opens up the possibility of applying this technology in densely populated coastal areas or regions with limited land availability. Solutions such as corrosion-resistant materials and advanced anchoring systems can be adapted to different environmental conditions, from shallow seas to large freshwater lakes. Moreover, the high efficiency and low cost of this technology lay the foundation for integrating solar energy with other applications, such as providing power for industrial plants or clean energy production facilities. With these innovations, the Qingdao project is paving the way for a new generation of solar energy technology, turning seas into a strategic resource for a sustainable future. Not only a technical achievement, the floating solar power project in Qingdao also brings about a profound environmental impact, helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and promote advanced clean energy solutions. Each year, this system cuts 14,000 tons of CO2 emissions, equivalent to removing over 3,000 cars from the streets of the United States or planting 200,000 mature trees. This reduction in emissions is a significant step forward in mitigating the impacts of climate change, particularly in a large industrial area like Qingdao, where high energy demand and traditional manufacturing activities often generate large amounts of emissions. By replacing electricity from fossil fuels with clean solar energy, this project is helping to improve air quality and reduce pressure on the natural environment. One of the groundbreaking applications of the project is its role in green hydrogen production, a clean fuel considered the future of the energy industry. The electricity generated by the solar panels is used to power the Qingdao refinery, where hydrogen is produced through water electrolysis. With each kilogram of green hydrogen requiring approximately 50 kilowatt-hours of electricity, the project has the capacity to produce 334,000 kilograms of green hydrogen annually. Compared to traditional hydrogen production methods based on natural gas, this approach reduces hydrogen production costs by 20% and completely eliminates carbon emissions during production. The green hydrogen from this project can be used to fuel vehicles, industrial plant, or even be exported, opening a new avenue for the sustainable energy industry. The environmental impact of the Qingdao project is not limited to its current numbers, but also contributes to a long-term vision of a carbon-free future. China has set a goal to achieve carbon neutrality by 2060, an ambitious commitment to transitioning the economy away from dependence on fossil fuels. This project plays an important role in that strategy, providing an integrated model of solar energy and green hydrogen to minimize emissions on a large scale. By harnessing solar energy from seawater, the project not only helps reduce emissions from industrial plants, but also creates a clean energy supply chain, from electricity production to applications in heavy industries. This is especially important in Qingdao, an industrial hub for petrochemicals, where transitioning to clean energy could have a significant environmental impact in the region. Moreover, this project sends a strong message about the potential to combine advanced technology with environmental goals. Producing clean electricity and green hydrogen not only helps reduce emissions, but also creates a sustainable model that can be replicated in other coastal areas. With the potential to harness solar energy in shallow seas, the Qingdao project is paving the way for the development of integrated renewable energy systems, contributing to the reduction of climate change impacts globally. The success of this project demonstrates that clean energy solutions are not only feasible, but can also bring tremendous environmental benefits, from improving air quality to supporting industries transitioning to more sustainable models. China is shaping the future of renewable energy through the floating solar power project in Qingdao, a strategic step to reinforce its position as a global leader. Sinopec, the project's developer, aims to increase its capacity from 7.5 megawatts to 23 megawatts, enough to power over 9,200 average American households annually. This plan not only focuses on increasing electricity output, but also aims for large-scale green hydrogen production, a key solution to replace fossil fuels in heavy industries. With each additional megawatt, the project can produce around 1.4 million pounds of green hydrogen annually, significantly reducing production costs compared to traditional methods. The Qingdao project is designed to become a model for offshore floating solar power systems. With over 11,200 miles of coastline and thousands of reservoirs, China holds the potential to deploy hundreds of gigawatts of floating solar power capacity, enough to supply energy to tens of millions of households. According to plan, China aims to achieve 1,200 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity by 2030, with floating solar power contributing 10% or 120 gigawatts, sufficient to meet the electricity demand of California for several months. This model is not only meaningful domestically, but also holds global potential. The technology in Qingdao, capable of withstanding level 13 hurricane-force winds and tidal fluctuations up to 11.5 feet, can be applied in coastal countries such as Japan, India, or Southeast Asian nations. By utilizing marine space, it reduces pressure on limited land resources while promoting the global shift to clean energy. Furthermore, China is building a smart energy network that connects solar, wind, and green hydrogen plants, with the Qingdao project serving as a key foundation. This success solidifies China's pioneering role in the renewable energy race and opens opportunities for international collaboration. The Qingdao floating solar power project marks a significant milestone in China's efforts to shape the future of clean energy. With a capacity of 7.5 megawatts, an annual output of over 16.7 million kilowatt hours, and the ability to reduce 14,000 tons of CO2, equivalent to planting 200,000 trees, this project not only brings environmental benefits, but also sets a new standard for renewable energy initiatives. The production of 734,000 pounds of green hydrogen each year further solidifies Qingdao's position as an innovation hub where sustainable energy solutions are implemented with optimal efficiency. The success of the project lies in its ability to utilize marine space to create a renewable energy model that can be scaled. With the world's fastest growing renewable energy sector, China is expected to account for nearly 50% of global renewable energy output by 2030, surpassing other major economies. The Qingdao project is proof of the power of technology and long-term vision in addressing environmental challenges. The future of clean energy demands innovation and global collaboration. Projects like Qingdao are not only a step forward for China, but also an inspiration for other countries to strive towards a sustainable world. From floating solar panels on the sea to green hydrogen plants, each solution contributes to a shared goal, reducing dependence on fossil fuels and building a cleaner, more prosperous planet. The Qingdao Floating Solar Power Project is not just a technological achievement, but also a testament to China's strategic vision in shaping the global energy future. From utilizing vast marine spaces to building a smart energy ecosystem, Qingdao affirms that innovation can turn environmental challenges into opportunities. As China moves toward its goal of 1,200 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity by 2030, this project serves as the flagship, inspiring the world towards a cleaner and more sustainable future. So the question is, what kind of energy projects with similar scale and technology will China develop in the future? Will the United States and other global powers learn from and develop strategies to not only catch up with China in the clean energy race, but also protect the environment from negative impacts? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest analyses of technology, national strategies, and innovations shaping the future. Top 10 discoveries. Official will be back with untold stories, groundbreaking projects, and quiet revolutions with a global ripple effect. See you in the next video.